Hello, fellow cartoonists. This is Cartoon Academy, and I'm your host, Joe Wos. On this show, we learn how to draw everything from beautiful butterflies to creepy cockroaches. So, stay tuned. Today, we're gonna doodle a daisy and a little ladybug. Let's draw. We're gonna start right here towards the top of our page with a circle. Next, we're gonna add our daisy's eyes. It's an oval or letter O shape, and then a second one right next to it. We're gonna make sure our eyes are looking downward towards the ladybug. Now for a smile. Dash, line across, dash, dash. Some eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now for our petals. It's sort of a letter U shape. We're just going to work our whole way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to leave a little gap right here. You'll see why in just a second. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now for the stem. Draw a line all the way from that circle right off the page. One more time. All the way down. Next are our leaves. We come out and back in, add a dash. Same thing in reverse. Out, back in, add a dash. We're ready to draw our ladybug. We're going to start right over here. Circle. Letter C backwards. Now our pupils are looking up towards the daisy. 1, 2. Next is the head. Starting from the base of the eye, we come around and up, and then we add a smile. We want to fill in all around that. Leaving the mouth intact, we want to color in everything else. Just like so. Ladybugs aren't really bugs, they're beetles. Let's add 2 antennae. 1, 2. Maybe some eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now for the body. We come around and up. Then I'm going to add a line right down the middle of that. Next, we're going to give our ladybug spots. Now, not all ladybugs have spots. Some have no spots at all. Some even have stripes. But we're going to give ours lots of spots. You can add as many or as few as you like. There we go. There are lots of ladybugs. In fact, there are over 5,000 different species. Now for the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last, we're going to add a little blade of grass that our ladybug is standing on. We just bring that line up right to the feet, come to a point and back in. If there's another one here, and then 1 or 2 more. And that's it. There is your daisy and ladybug. Be sure to sign your name. Take pride in your work.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.